Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have come with a new video on new topic, and today's topic is comparison of sorts. Which one is greater, root 6 plus root 7 or root 5 plus root 8? Root 5 plus root 4 or root 6 plus root 3? And which one is smaller, root 5 minus root 4 or root 6 minus root 3? Root 7 minus root 6 or root 8 minus root 5. Today in this video we are going to solve this kind of problem by using sort trick. So without any delay, let us start the solution. Here this is the first problem, root 6 plus root 7 or root 5 plus root 8. We have to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. To use sort trick in this case, we have to see the numbers within square root of both the numbers. In the first number 6 and 7 are there, and in the second number 5 and 8 are there. We have to check whether the sum of the numbers in first number and second number are equal or not. If the sum of these two numbers in the first number and second number are equal, then we can use sort trick. So in this first problem, root 6 plus root 7 or root 5 plus root 8, that the number within the square root of the first number are 6 and 7, and similarly in the second number 5 and 8. In the first number we have to add 6 and 7, and the sum is 13, and in the second number 5 and 8, the sum of these two numbers in both the cases are equal, that is 13. Now we can use sort trick here. To use sort trick, we just have to multiply these two numbers in the first number 6 and 7, which is equal to 42. 6 7 ja 42, and similarly in the second number 5 and 8 are there. We have to multiply them, and their product is also 40. Now we have to compare these two product, 42 and 40, but we know 42 is greater than 40, so same sign can be used for the given numbers. So root 6 plus root 7 is greater than root 5 plus root 8, so this one is solved. Now the second problem is root 5 plus root 4 or root 6 plus root 3. Here in the given numbers we see that the two numbers in the first number are 5 and 4, so we have to add them, 5 plus 4, and similarly in the second number the numbers are 6 and 3, we have to add them also. And in both the cases the total is 9, their sum is 9. So we can use a trick here. We have to multiply this 5 and 4 from the first number, 5 into 4, and similarly in the second number we have to multiply 6 and 3, and 5 4 is 20, 6 3 is 18, and we know 20 is greater than 18, so same sign can be used for the given numbers also. Therefore root 5 plus root 4 is greater than root 6 plus root 3, because 20 represents the first number and 18 represents the second number respectively. Now we are going to consider the same kind of problem, but there is only one difference, that is the difference of sign between the two terms of the first number and two terms of the second number. Here the sign is negative, but in two previous problems there was positive sign. So in this case, where the sign is negative, we have to use the same trick, but there is a very small difference in this case. So let us consider the first problem. Here we have to find out of these two numbers which one is greater and which one is smaller. So let us write the given numbers once, root 5 minus root 4 or root 6 minus root 3. But this is the case of negative sign here. First of all, we have to see the numbers within the square root of the first number. These are 5 and 4, and 6 and 3 in the second case. So we have to add these two numbers in the first number, 5 plus 4 and 6 plus 3, and the sum of the numbers in both the cases is 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Now we have to multiply 5 into 4, it is 20, and 6 into 3, it is 18. So 5 into 4 is 20 and 6 into 3 is 18. So this is the case of negative sign. So there is a little difference. We have to consider the negative of these two numbers, minus 20 and minus 18. And we have to compare these numbers. We know minus 18 is greater than minus 20, and minus 20 represents the first number, minus 18 represents the second number. Now we have to decide accordingly. So minus 20 is smaller than the minus 18, and therefore we can conclude that the first number is smaller than the second number. That is, root 5 minus root 4 is less than root 6 minus root 3. Similarly, we are going to consider another problem, root 7 minus root 6 or root 8 minus root 5. Which one is smaller? Which one is greater? We have to find out this. The first number, let us add these two numbers, and second number, let us add these two numbers. The first number, this is also the case of negative sign. So we're going to start here. First of all, we have to add these two numbers. 7 plus 6 is 13, and 8 plus 5 is also 13. The sum of the numbers are equal in both the cases, so we can use this short trick method here. 7 into 6 for the first number is 42, and for the second number 8 into 5, 8 into 5, this is 40. Here we can see 42 is greater than 40, but we have to consider the negative of this two number because they are with negative signs. So minus 42 and minus 40, we have to consider them. And we know minus 40 is greater than minus 42. So this number represents the first number. Now we can conclude that the first number is smaller than the second number because minus 42 represents the first number and minus 40 represents the second number. Therefore, root 7 minus root 6 is smaller than the root 8 minus root 5. So out of these two numbers, root 7 minus root 6 is smaller. So thank you for watching.